corpse surrendered before the court of Chief Justice Magistrate Imphal West yesterday in connection with alleged fake encounter of Irengbom Ratan Kumar on September 1, 2010 at Ningombam and Mongsangai Inter-Village Road near Well Academy under Singramai Police Station. Reportedly, Chief Judicial Magistrate Imphal West Court on January 21st last passed an order directing the alleged accused corpse to appear before the court on February 11 in connection for necessary court proceeding. Suresh Huidrom of Manipur has been awarded the prestigious National Architecture and Interior Design Excellence Awards 2020 during a function held at the Taj West End in Bengaluru the previous day. Suresh is the eldest son of Huidrom Iboyaima and Huidrom Ongbi Leibak Laima of Khurai Salanthong, Imphal East. The second Air India special flight has left for New Delhi from Wuhan with 223 Indian citizens on board. According to media reports, 7 Maldives citizens are also being evacuated from the novel coronavirus hit city of China. A total of 647 Indians, including 282 students, have been evacuated by India from China following the outbreak of novel coronavirus in the neighboring country. The newly enacted Citizenship Amendment Act (CAA) is a clear violation of the Constitution of India and international human rights, said Amnesty International to US lawmakers. According to media reports, the remarks were made by Francisco Bencosme, Amnesty International Asia Pacific Advocacy Manager. CAA was passed by the Parliament on December 2019 and it offers Indian citizenship to non-Muslim from Afghanistan, Bangladesh and Pakistan. The 4-day-long sowing festival of Luira Fanit has kicked off yesterday at New Tusumundar, Ukhrul district in the presence of Principal Chief Conservation of Forest and Head Force Manipur, Kerel Haubi Angami. Additional working PCCF WPRT Dr. Lokho Puni, Chief Conservator Forest Soraifi Basum and other distinguished personalities. India's second case of coronavirus has been reported in Kerala 3 days after the southern state reported country's first case of the infectious disease that originated in China. The coronavirus outbreak, declared a global health emergency by the World Health Organization after it spread to more than 20 countries across the world, has killed over 300 people in China.